We have another example on the board. We're supposed to find again x-intercept and y-intercept. Please keep in mind that anytime we talk about x-intercept, we talk about point on the x-axis which has coordinates x and 0, okay, where x can be any real number, y must be always equal 0. Anytime we talk about y-intercept, we talk about the point on y-axis which has coordinates 0, y, where x coordinate is always 0 and y coordinate can be any real number. So if we're looking for x-intercept, we're supposed to substitute y by 0 because x-intercept has y coordinate equals 0. So I have x plus 6 times 0 minus 3 is equal 0. So I have x, 6 times 0 is 0, minus 3 is equal 0, x is equal 3. So this is my x coordinate, and if you want to find a point, so x is equal 3 and y must be always equal 0. So this is my point, which is simply the x-intercept. Next, if you want to find y-intercept, we have again general equation plus 6y minus 3 is equal 0. For y-intercept, x is equal 0. So I'm going to substitute this x by 0. So I have 0 plus 6y minus 3 is equal 0. So I have 6y minus 3 is equal 0. In order to find y, I have to move negative 3 to right side of the equal sign. I'm going to have 6y is equal 3. In order to find y, I have to divide both sides equation by 6. So y is equal 3 over 6. We can reduce this fraction by 3. And I have 1 over 2. So I have my y-intercept is equal 1/2. So if you want to write in terms of two coordinates, remember for y-intercept, x coordinate is always equal 0 and y is equal 1/2. So these are my intercept. This is my y-intercept and this is my x-intercept.